Within the Effect 3D submenu is an option that you can use to rotate the selected object in 3D space. This dialog box doesn't have the same options as the 3D Revolve or the 3D Extrude and Bevel dialog boxes, but it simply lets you rotate the existing object in 3D space to give it a distinct orientation. This can be very beneficial if you need to line up an object to fit within the perspective of the current drawing, or to align to the side or shape of a 3D scene that has been loaded in. There are also options that you can control the shading and the directional lighting associated with this object. That way, you can control the shading that is applied and have a light source that is coming from a similar direction as the light in your scene. If you have an existing 3D object, such as a 3D Revolve or a 3D Extrusion, then you can use the rotate options available in the various dialog box to do the rotations on those objects instead of using this 3D rotate option box.